Check out this 2004 GMC Canyon Soul. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include aluminum wheels, rear bench seat, child safety locks, passenger airbag, fourth passenger door, intermittent wipers, and driver airbag. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.